Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Nushi. So today's video I will introduce Google Gemini. So Google Gemini is a smart AI chatbot. So let's get started. So share and subscribe my channel. Turn on the notification bell. So open the Google Gemini app. If using a browser, open your web browser and go to Gemini. Type here Gemini. Click. Here you can see Google Gemini. Click here. So you can see here Google Gemini interface. So Gemini is an AI powered assistant developed by Google. It helps users to many things. So another important feature of the Gemini is the ability to understand all language. This means users can talk to Gemini like talking a real person. So Gemini can also help with grammar correction, translation, coding support and problem all solving. One of the best things Gemini is that is save item. Instead of searching many websites, users can Gemini directly and receive quick answer. It's useful for beginner, business, owners, teachers and students and YouTubers. So let's start to do something. So I have typed how many stars are in the universe. Click here. Here my question is how many stars are in the universe? So answer came. The short answer is that astronomers estimate there are roughly 200 billion trillion stars. So you can see here first step count the galaxy. Second average the stars per galaxy. You can read. So here final calculate. You can read this all. Let's go to next question. So here my question, how many islands are there in the world? Here have all answers. Here have country and number of island and quick fact. You can see here natural island images. Click here and see. You can upload also. So you can generate any image as request in ChatGPT. So we can download this in fully quality. So I have explained about ChatGPT in a video on my YouTube channel. But you can only create 3 images per day in ChatGPT. It's free. But you can generate as many images as you like. In Gemini, it's unlimited. So click here and see. Upload files and you can upload images, music, create music. So you can click here and you can upload everything. So now I am going to type natural jungle image. So you can see here natural jungles, world, tropical, rainforest and jungles. You click here. You can upload also. Here have full details about jungles. So Gemini Assistant can answer the question, explain topic in simple words, write script, email and ideas and help with studying and homework. So give you YouTube ideas, translating language, so helping with coding. So you can upload a photo and find out anything you want to know. So another tool is media upload option. So find everything just one place. So you can click here, can go to new chat or search chat you can take. Let's go to new chat. My next question is which animal is the fastest in water? We'll see. Click here. So I asked which animal is faster in water. Here I have full answer. Here you can see here and I ask images also. Here you can see here. Click here and see the images, beautiful images. So Gemini has a mixed Google search chatbot. So you just type question, it reply instantly with useful information. So you can see it's expected that many more features will be added to this in the future. Google Gemini, you can answer the call and you can reply without touching your phone. So you can tell, hey Gemini, answer the call. Hey Gemini, see my WhatsApp, and you can say, hey Gemini, reply my message. So have many things to do. So it's very easy. Alright everyone, that's for today video. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.